Thank you for buying this 18219 pack of 4 door latches from FixtureDisplays. The measurements of these units are 2.6 inches by 1.8 inches by 0.8 inches. The length, once triggered, is 2.2 inches overall. And there are mounting holes. There are small 3mm holes and a runway 4mm hole. This piece goes onto your doors, and the magnetic piece goes onto your door jamb or cabinet side frames. We're going to use a piece of cardboard to simulate a door scenario, and you're going to mount the hatch onto a flat surface, either at the top or typically on the top or on the bottom. And once you have that properly fastened, you want to measure the distance. The metal piece goes onto your door. When closed, you want to push it all the way in, and you make sure the door is flush with the frame, and that's where you should fasten the latch to. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, cs@fixturedisplays.com. These double magnets give you enough strength to make sure your door stops where it should be. Thank you once again for shopping FixtureDisplays.